Hello my friends, Mila Marie, your tech princess here. Today we're going to be reviewing this Hi75 from Leobog. This is not sponsored. I bought this barebones kit off Amazon and then we're going to modify it together. I have been really wanting a Leobog, so I cannot wait to see how she sounds, so let's get into it. Wow, she is really so heavy. I love that. Nice tactile knob. I'll probably change the knob. It's not the color, I just don't like the logo, but it comes with pre-lubed stabilizers, and they throw a couple of Graywood V3 switches in here in the corners, which are Leobog switch. Listen to this. Full aluminum case. So today I am going to be starting the modification on my Leobog Hi75. I really wanted to get a high quality keyboard that had an aluminum case, and I wanted to do a Star Wars build. So I got this titanium gray. Right now it has a red knob, which is not my favorite, but might actually go with the build. So let's pick out some switches and caps and see how it goes. So I've chosen the B-Sun K1 V3 switches. Take a listen.